Ultraviolet, or UV light, is part of the electromagnetic spectrum, which includes radio waves at one end of the spectrum and gamma rays at the opposite end. When organized by wavelength, UV light falls between visible light and X-rays. UV light is the same as the rays that we get from the sun, and there are three types of ultraviolet light that reach the ozone layer around the Earth. There's UVA, UVB, and UVC. It's important to remember that without the ozone layer to protect us, artificial UV light can be harmful to living things and should be used in unoccupied spaces, or special protective gear should be worn to avoid the damaging effects to skin and eyes. Looking at the electromagnetic spectrum again, and breaking out the three UV types, UVA and UVB can be used to kill bacteria, mold, and fungus. But what separates UVC apart is its ability to also kill viruses. UVC is the point where the wavelengths become short enough to disrupt the virus. UVC light is an excellent and powerful tool for disinfecting and killing bacteria and viruses. Its biggest limitation is that it only works in line of sight. To illustrate this, let's take a look at these blocks and assume that they are objects in a space that you want to disinfect. Now imagine that this light source is the UVC device. Everything that the light is hitting is being disinfected, but anywhere that you see a shadow has not been sanitized. You could add in another UVC device to cover more area, but there is likely to be some areas that will still be missed. Portable UVC lights could be used to try to reach more areas from different angles, but UV should be used alongside other measures of disinfecting, like air filtering and sanitizing solutions. The effectiveness and range of the UVC lights is based on the power of the device and the distance to a surface. The further the distance, the longer the exposure time required to fully disinfect the area.